there, YouTube. It's me, Jensen XM123, and today I'm just wanting to show you my BB gun with all the stuff it came with. So here it is. It is a Red Ryder. Flip it over. It says right there, Red Ryder. It's carved in. It has a horse, and it cocks like this. It's on safety right now. It has a barrel. And it does come with safety glasses. You always need to wear your safety glasses. Comes with 1,050, 1,000 or 1,500 BBs. Copperhead. You don't really see that stuff down there. And yeah. So I am just going backfire just for you guys. Just for you guys. You may not do this at home. Do not point it at anybody else. And yes, I am wearing my safety glasses. You see perfectly. What the heck? Okay, I fixed it. Yes, this is high powered and it does kick back. I think it has 103,000 FPS. Well, not 3,300, 700. I will shoot it at the wall. Yes, and it does kick back a lot. Bye.